Karen Reed won't testify in her own defense in a case that could go to the jury next week. That's the news.
Meantime, the former Rhode Island medical examiner hired by Reed wrapped up her testimony. NBC 10's Katie Benoit joins us live from Dedham with how the doctor's record came up today. Katie?
Emily, Dr. Elizabeth LaPosada was questioned about her response to the station nightclub fire, and she was also asked about her eventual resignation.
That's not what I said. That is
Excuse me.
No, I'm not going to.
So,
Tension in the courtroom over what Dr. Elizabeth LaPosada could say about victim John O'Keefe's injuries. This line of questioning was ultimately allowed by the judge.
Patterned injury that you see on Mr. O'Keefe's right arm is consistent with an animal bite or claw marks.
yes, it is, very much.
LaPosada said the Boston police officer could have died within 20 minutes from his head injuries.
The back of his head hit something that had a fine granular pattern to it.
Karen Reed is accused of backing into her boyfriend with her SUV and leaving him to die. LaPosada, a defense witness, disagrees.
Well, it didn't hit him, so it doesn't matter.
She also claims O'Keefe did not die of hypothermia. The doctor who performed O'Keefe's autopsy says he did. On cross-examination, prosecutors tried to discredit LaPosada, focusing on her time as Rhode Island's chief medical examiner. She handled the aftermath of the station nightclub fire.
And you received criticism because you were repeatedly requested by emergency responders and police officials to come to the scene, and you refused?
That's incorrect. First of
Okay.
all, nobody called me to come to the scene, and medical examiners are not first responders. My investigator went right to the scene.
She resigned in 2005 after an audit revealed hundreds of incomplete autopsy reports.
So you inevitably did resign in 2005.
Yes, because my budget was going to be cut, and I knew that if I had to get rid of a medical examiner, we couldn't do a good job for the state.
Meanwhile, Dr. Andrew Rentschler from the crash reconstruction firm ARCA began his testimony.
The case is our last witness.
And that expert will have to come back tomorrow. Prosecutors plan to call 3 rebuttal witnesses. It's possible the jury could have this case as soon as Friday. Live in Dedham, Katie Benoit, NBC 10 News.
Once again, Karen told reporters just outside today she will not testify in her own defense. Be sure to catch my daily debrief with Katie and our legal analyst every day. We do it after court ends. It's posted on the NBC 10 WJAR YouTube channel after 5 p.m. usually. Runs on NBC 10 News at 7, and I have it on the radio on WPRO.